I'm super excited because I came up with this gorgeous look using the Pure My Little Pony palette. I actually got this palette a Christmas or two ago for my sister, and it is a really cute palette. It has a lot of gorgeous colors. There's some neutrals, there's some colors in there that you could do colorful looks with. So today I'm going with a pink and purple look because I just think it's suitable and it looks adorable together. And I also put some brown in there just to kind of darken the purple a little bit more. So I hope you guys will enjoy this tutorial. All my links are down below as well as my disclaimers. So let's get started. Hey guys, so the first two shades you'll be taking is this white and taupey brown. The white one works as your base for the shadows and also just a base for the primer. The taupey brown is for your inner and upper crease, and this is just a great shade for the purple to blend into with no harsh lines. I'm taking the purple and the pink shade from this palette, using the purple to deepen the eyes, and also the pink shade is for the lid, and I'm just going to pat that on my lid and connect it to the purple shade. After, I'm just going to go back in with that purple and just deepen the look because this look is supposed to be a little bit darker. I'm using this concealer that I got from Ipsy. There's not much left, and also taking this awesome beauty sponge that my sister-in-law gave to me and just patting that in. For eyeliner choice, I went with Wet n Wild's waterproof because this is just extremely black and works amazing. Next, I took G Beauty Secrets lash curler because it works amazing and gets all my tiny lashes. For mascara, I went with this Benefit mascara. I've used it in multiple videos. It's my go-to mascara now. Also taking G Beauty Secrets Jazz lashes. I love her lashes. They're so comfortable, affordable, and definitely flexible. I'll leave my code and the link to shop in my description. Then going back in with the Wet n Wild liquid eyeliner just to apply that on top of where I put the lashes. Then you're going to apply that pink and purple shade into your lower lash line just to connect it and make the color pop. So I'm just applying the pink shade now. Next, I'm using my Revlon Colorstay foundation and that beauty sponge again, just blending it all out. And then I'm also using this right here, which is the Alamar blush trio, which I got from a boxycharm box, and then also Ulta's matte bronzer and also Ulta's shimmering highlight. And I'm just applying that all over my face. And then after, I take a really big powder brush and just blend everything together. Using the melodic setting spray, I just spray my face. And for lips, I kept it simple. I went with Hard Candy's lip. This is kind of make your lips plumped. And this Dose of Color liquid lipstick in Stone. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Until next time, stay beautiful, my unicorns. Peace.